What's something people don't know about painting in nature? It's pure, unfiltered inspiration. Meet Sarah, a young artist with a vision as vast as the mountains around her. She's standing by a river, surrounded by nature's beauty. Watch as she dips her brush into vibrant colors and creates an abstract masterpiece. Each stroke is filled with passion and creativity, transforming the canvas into a work of art that mirrors the stunning landscape. It's not just painting, it's capturing the essence of the world around her. The mountains, the river, the sky, they all come alive in her artwork. Sarah reminds us that inspiration is everywhere if you just take a moment to look. So next time you're outside, remember, you might be standing in your very own masterpiece.